Well, this is the demonstration video for filtration assembly. We have connected the vacuum outlet of the vacuum pump to the rubber pipe. This pipe goes to the inlet of the filtration flask, and in this filtration flask we have used 100 ml grade 1 filter assembly, and then we have used grade 4 filter assembly. In this case, we have put the water into this filter assembly now, and we have used two pieces of rubber gaskets to hold the G4 grade 4 filter assembly. Now we'll start the vacuum pump and we'll see the collection. Now you see here the collection is coming to the filter flask. Pump is running and now stop.